The holidays are here. It's that magical time of the year when every corner of our homes transforms into a cozy, festive haven. The air is filled with the scent of pine, cinnamon, and freshly baked cookies. The twinkling lights and the sound of holiday music create an atmosphere of warmth and joy. It's time to bring warmth and cheer into every corner of your home. And what better place to start than the kitchen? The kitchen is often the heart of the home, where families gather to cook, eat, and share stories. This holiday season, let's make it even more special. Your kitchen island, the heart of your home, deserves a touch of Christmas magic too. Imagine it adorned with festive decorations that bring a smile to your face every time you walk by. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about creating a space that feels warm and inviting. But who says it has to be over the top? Sometimes, less is more. A few well-placed decorations can make a big impact without overwhelming the space. Think of it as adding a sprinkle of holiday cheer rather than a full-on blizzard. This year, let's embrace the beauty of simplicity with a minimal classic Christmas theme. This approach not only looks elegant, but also makes it easier to maintain a clean and functional kitchen. You don't need a lot to create a festive atmosphere. A few thoughtful touches can go a long way. This approach keeps your kitchen island both festive and functional. You can still use the space for cooking and entertaining without having to move a lot of decorations out of the way. It's about finding that perfect balance between form and function. It's about creating a space where you can still bake those cookies, share meals, and make memories, all while being surrounded by the festive spirit. The kitchen is where so many holiday traditions come to life, from baking gingerbread houses to preparing a holiday feast, all surrounded by the timeless elegance of Christmas. The decorations should enhance the experience, not detract from it. Think of it as setting the stage for all the wonderful moments that will unfold in your kitchen this holiday season. Imagine a warm glow from twinkling lights. These lights can add a magical touch to your kitchen island, making it feel like a cozy retreat. The soft ambient lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere that invites you to linger a little longer. Picture classic greenery and a few cherished ornaments. These elements bring a sense of nostalgia and tradition to your decor. They remind us of holidays past and create a connection to the present, making the season feel even more special. This is what it means to bring a minimal classic Christmas to your kitchen island. It's about creating a space that feels festive and inviting without being cluttered or overwhelming. It's about finding joy in the simple things and making the most of the holiday season. Why choose a minimal classic Christmas theme for your kitchen island? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as the holiday season approaches. With so many decorating styles to choose from, why go for something minimal and classic? Well, let me take you on a journey through the reasons why this theme is not only timeless but also incredibly charming. Let me tell you, there's a lot to love. Imagine the joy of decorating your kitchen island with elements that bring a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. The simplicity of a minimal classic Christmas theme allows you to focus on the things that truly matter: family, friends, and the joy of the season. First, it's just plain beautiful. The elegance of classic Christmas decorations can transform any kitchen island into a festive focal point. Think about the timeless appeal of red and green hues, the sparkle of tinsel, and the soft glow of fairy lights. These elements come together to create a scene that is both enchanting and heartwarming. Classic Christmas elements never go out of style. They evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminding us of Christmases past while still feeling fresh and relevant. Whether it's a vintage ornament passed down through generations, or a new piece that captures the essence of the season, these decorations have a timeless quality that never fades. Think lush greenery, the soft glow of candlelight, and the sparkle of simple ornaments. These elements not only look beautiful, but also create an atmosphere of warmth and coziness. The greenery brings a touch of nature indoors, the candles add a magical glow, and the ornaments provide just the right amount of sparkle. These elements create a sense of warmth and nostalgia that just makes you feel good. There's something incredibly comforting about a well-decorated kitchen island during the holidays. It's a place where memories are made, where laughter is shared, and where the spirit of Christmas truly comes alive. Second, it's all about keeping things functional. A minimal classic Christmas theme doesn't mean sacrificing practicality. In fact, it enhances it. By choosing decorations that are both beautiful and functional, you can create a space that is not only festive, but also highly usable. We all know the kitchen island is a workhorse, especially during the holidays. It's where meals are prepped, cookies are decorated, and family gatherings take place. With minimal decor, you can still chop, stir, and bake to your heart's content without feeling cluttered or overwhelmed. With minimal decor, you can still chop, stir, and bake to your heart's content. The key is to choose decorations that don't take up too much space or get in the way of your cooking activities. This way, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, a beautifully decorated kitchen island and a functional workspace. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. One of the biggest advantages of a minimal classic Christmas theme is that it makes post-holiday cleanup much easier. With fewer decorations to take down in store, you can spend more time enjoying the season and less time worrying about the aftermath. Finally, it's easy on the budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a magical Christmas look. In fact, a minimal classic theme can be quite affordable. By focusing on a few key pieces and using what you already have, you can achieve a stunning result without breaking the bank. You don't need to break the bank to create a magical Christmas look. Simple, inexpensive decorations can have a big impact. Consider DIY projects or repurposing items you already own. The beauty of a minimal classic theme is that it allows you to be creative and resourceful. With a few carefully chosen pieces, you can transform your kitchen island without spending a fortune. The key is to select items that have a big impact and can be used year after year. This way, you can build a collection of timeless decorations that will always bring joy to your home. Ready to get started? Let's gather our decorating essentials. Think natural elements like evergreen branches, pine cones, and cranberries. These bring the beauty of the outdoors in. Add a touch of sparkle with some fairy lights, preferably with a warm, inviting glow. Next, choose a few classic ornaments. Think red and white or silver and gold. These timeless colors scream Christmas. Finally, don't forget the candles. They add a touch of warmth and magic. Choose unscented ones for the kitchen island to avoid interfering with any delicious cooking smells. Before we start decorating, let's prepare our canvas. Clear off your kitchen island completely. Give it a good wipe down. This ensures you have a clean slate to work with. Now take a moment to consider your island's size and shape. This will help you determine how much decor you need and where to place it for maximum impact. Remember, less is more. Let's get decorating. Today, we're going to transform your kitchen island into a festive, minimal, classic Christmas centerpiece. This will be the heart of your holiday home, where family and friends can gather around and enjoy the season's cheer. We'll start by laying a foundation of greenery. This is the base of our decoration and sets the tone for the entire look. Choose a garland that has a mix of textures and shades of green to give it a more natural and lush appearance. Drape a garland of evergreen branches across the length of your island. Make sure it flows naturally, with some parts hanging over the edges to create a cascading effect. This will add depth and dimension to your display. Don't worry about being too precise. A natural, slightly wild look is what we're going for. The beauty of this style is in its imperfections, which mimic the organic feel of nature. Next, create a focal point. This is the centerpiece of your island and should draw the eye immediately. It can be something simple, yet striking. This could be a beautiful bowl filled with pine cones and ornaments. Choose ornaments that complement your overall color scheme and add a touch of sparkle, or a cluster of candles of varying heights. Candles add warmth and a cozy ambiance, perfect for those chilly winter evenings. Place your focal point in the center of the island to draw the eye. This will anchor your entire display and give it a balanced look. Now let's add some sparkle. Fairy lights are a fantastic way to bring a magical glow to your decorations. Weave your fairy lights around the garland, adding a warm glow to your creation. Make sure the lights are evenly distributed to highlight the greenery and ornaments. Finally, add in those classic ornaments. These are the finishing touches that will bring your entire display together. Tuck them into the garland, ensuring they are securely placed but still visible. Hang them from the light fixture above the island, adding height and interest to your display, or simply scatter them around the base of your focal point. This will create a cohesive look that ties all the elements together. And there you have it, a minimal classic Christmas island that is both elegant and festive. Enjoy the process and make it your own. Happy decorating! Remember, we want our kitchen island to be both beautiful and usable. Avoid placing decor too close to the stovetop or any areas where you'll be prepping food. If your island is small, opt for a smaller garland or focal point. You can also use tiered trays to add height and visual interest without taking up too much surface space. For easy maintenance, choose decorations that are easy to clean or dust. And always remember to blow out those candles when you leave the kitchen. The beauty of a minimal classic Christmas theme is its versatility. You can easily adapt it to complement your kitchen's existing style. For a modern farmhouse kitchen, incorporate galvanized metal elements or rustic wooden accents. If your style is more traditional, embrace rich colors like burgundy and gold. For smaller kitchens, scale down the decorations. Use a smaller garland, fewer ornaments, and choose a smaller focal point. You can still create a big impact in a small space. Once your kitchen island is decorated, take a step back and admire your handiwork. You've created a warm, inviting space that's perfect for gathering with loved ones this Christmas. Now, it's time to share the Christmas spirit. Invite friends and family over to enjoy your beautifully decorated kitchen. Bake cookies together, share stories, and make memories that will last a lifetime. As you gather around your minimally decorated kitchen island this Christmas, remember that the true magic of the holidays lies in the moments we share with loved ones. So, pour yourself a cup of hot cocoa, turn on the Christmas carols, and soak up the joy of the season. Merry Christmas!